Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
Nice. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan, and your name is
Ramson.
Debbie?
Debbie. Yes.
Okay, great name.
How is your day going?
My day is going great because I am developing an application and that without any type of problem, I am having the productivity in that.
Oh, nice. Nice. It sounds like a productive day.
Yes, correct. And what's your
Yeah.
profession?
An English teacher. This is what I do.
I mean, working on the Cambly or anywhere else?
Um, Cambly and on another platform as well.
Okay, so what's that platform name?
Um, it is called Data.
Uh-huh.
That is the name.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
yes, basically, I'm working on my listening skills. So, what
Okay.
I want is like you should share me about your culture, and I will be asking you a few questions. And in that way, I
Okay.
could able to understand your conversation because in a lot of cases, there are different people I'm connecting on the Cambly, and they have different accents because they are
Okay.
living in different countries.
Okay.
So in that way, I'm trying to become more confident after
Okay.
listening to them.
Okay.
So yeah, please tell me about your culture first, if you don't mind.
Well, no, I don't mind. I like talking about my culture. I am from America,
Uh-huh.
but my background is Mexican, and I am currently living in Mexico. Have you ever been to Mexico?
No, no, no. I heard about the Mexico and read a lot about that, but never went there.
Okay. Mexico is a very colorful
Hmm.
country. Houses are painted in so many colors, and not only like dim colors like the ones that I have on my wall. There are a lot of houses that are like bright pink, bright yellow, blue, red, orange, green, many colors. And I currently live on the coast of Mexico, on the west coast, and I am
Hmm.
very close to the beach, like to the ocean. So right now it's a little cold, um, but like around noon, it is very warm.
Okay.
And yeah, food in Mexico is very good. Do you have you ever tried any Mexican food?
Maybe can you give me a name?
A name? Um, well, the typical food, Mexican food, is tortilla. That is the
Uh,
name for one of them. It is a corn, like it is very similar to naan bread, but we use corn instead of wheat. So
okay.
it is like round, like this big. So we eat tortillas with beans or rice, chicken, beef, so many things, but those are the main ingredients. But the way they are prepared um, is different. So you get a taco, which is tortilla. You can have beans and beef or chicken or fish in it. Fried taco. Uh, there are others called flauta, which is a flute, like the ones we use like a musical instrument. But you eat them, of course, and they are prepared completely different, but the ingredients are the same. So, you add lettuce, chicken broth to it to make it a little softer, sour cream, cheese, onions, tomatoes, relish, so many things.
And you are living near the beach. I mean, the beach is near to you, right?
Yes, it is 5 minutes away walking, and like maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute by car. So yeah, it
Okay,
is
so
very close.
people are visiting over there.
Yes, it is a touristy place.
Okay, and you also go there?
I what?
You also go there?
To the beach?
Huh?
Yeah, I like to go to the beach. Not that often, because I am not a big fan of sand.
Okay, so over there, I mean, there is type of festival in which they go, or in most of the cases, people visit there on daily basis.
Um, so right now, I think 2 weeks ago, um,
Hmm.
they celebrated like carnival. That is the
Hmm.
name of the celebration. But since we have COVID, then there was no celebration this year. And
Okay.
it is a traditional carnival that they do every year, and they've done it for maybe 100 years. And this was the first time in 100 years that they didn't do it. So it was like a
Okay.
big thing not to have it this year, but we need to take care of ourselves, right?
Yes, that is important. And
Yeah.
you are living with your family? I mean, your parents, or you have your own family, or what?
With my parents. Yeah, I'm living with my parents.
And have you graduated?
Yes, from
So, yeah,
from high school, and I did an undergraduate in America of nursing.
okay. So, I mean, you gone through the college?
Yes, so I did an undergraduate for nurse assistant,
Mm-hmm.
which yeah, I graduated from that already. That
So
was
you have not continued that specific profession?
no. Well, I started before my undergraduate. I started teaching um right after I finished high school.
Mm-hmm.
So when I finished high school, I started that, and then a few years after I started, well, I finished, of course, and then I started my undergraduate, and then I finished, and then I moved here.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you are living a happy life with teaching the students online
Yeah, I
and
am. I
and
am.
living in your home because this is work from home. There is no need to uh, go to the office and something
Mhm.
like that, right?
Yeah. So before COVID, I I was already doing this. So
Okay.
so when COVID started, I was already used to working from home, and everyone was like, I can't work from home. There are so many distractions, or I don't know if I can do it. And I was like, I'm used to it by now. Like, it's fine. It is, I think it's more fun to do it this way.
Yes. It become compulsory for the people who were not working from home, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
In the COVID-19.
Yeah.
Yes. And yes, okay, great. So do you have any website?
No, I don't. No.
Okay, no problem. Actually, I am a website developer and designer. So if you are facing any type of issue, then
Okay.
I can help you out with that.
Okay.
So, okay, that's great. And if I am interested to improve my pronunciation, so can you suggest me any specific thing which I should do?
Well, I think your pronunciation is very clear. Your
So I am not able to differentiate the accent, like which is American accent, which is British accent.
Oh, you can you can notice the difference?
Yes. So in my conversation, what do you think? Which accent I am using?
Um, I think American, more American than
American.
British. Yeah. Hey, it's time for me to go. It was nice meeting you.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.